Excel just predicted the exact moment when we will become millionaires. Can you believe it? Hello guys, and welcome to another exciting video in which I will tell you how to use Excel's wonderful what if analysis tool. So, what is what if analysis? This is what Mr. ChatGPT has to say about it.
What if analysis is a process of exploring different scenarios by changing one or more variables in a model or a data set to observe the potential outcomes.
Oh, quite technical, right? Let me explain in easy words. What if analysis is like playing with a toy or game where you can change different things and see what happens. By doing this, you can make better decisions because you have a better idea of what might happen if you choose one option over another. Let's dive in. To learn this feature, we will consider two scenarios. First, when my channel will reach 1000 subscribers, and one more, how many quantities of product we need to sell to make a profit of $1 million. And at the end of the video, I will share tips so that you can create your own customized plan to make $1 million. So stay tuned till the end. So we will consider scenario when my channel will reach 1000 subscribers. Oh, on side note, please consider subscribing to channel by clicking on subscribe button. So to do this, I have considered these inputs for our analysis. In cell D4, I have number of subscribers. Then cell E4, we have number of videos I upload per week. In column F4, we get our results of how many weeks I need to reach the target of 1000 subscribers, and G4 is number of subscribers I get on an average per video. So, column H4 is target cell, which is formula of current subscribers plus number of videos per week multiplied by number of weeks and average number of subscribers I get. So after 1 week, I will reach 36 subscribers. Now, if we change number of weeks to 5, I will reach 116 subscribers. Below table will give information about number of months I will need and number of days we need to reach this target. Now begins our magic. So to find out when I will reach 1000 subscribers, click on Data tab and go to What If Analysis. Then select Goal Seek. Now in this dialog box we need to fill details. In set cell we will put target cell which we want to get updated magically with 1000 subscribers. Into value box we will put 1000 and by changing cell where we will get our result, that is number of weeks to reach the goal. Now click OK. Magically we got that we will need 49 weeks to reach the 1000 subscribers or 12.3 months or 344 days approx. Sorry guys, I cannot wait this longer. Please subscribe to channel to reduce this number. Let me help you by uploading more such videos per week. If instead of 4 I will upload 6 videos weekly, this is when I will reach my target. Now, I will reach this target in 33 weeks. Still longer guys. You can do better. Tell me in comments what should I change to reach this target earlier. Now, let's consider one more scenario in which I want to make $1 million of profit by selling MacBook Pro. Just example guys, I am not an Apple reseller. In cell E4, I have sales price and in F4, I have cost price. So after selling one quantity, I make $1000 profit. Now let's make this $1 million profit and Excel magically will give me how many MacBooks I need to sell to make this profit. Again, go to What If Analysis and Goal Seek. Let's set cell H4 as our target cell and value as 1 million. And changing cell is cell D4, then click OK. Excel predicted I need to sell 1000 quantities to make this profit. Oh no, I think I need to increase my product price to make it earlier. Let's see by changing it to $5,500. Let's run the magic again, keeping same parameters. Excel is saying I need to sell 666 quantities now to reach this target. So guys, this is how we use Goal Seek feature. But wait, did I say anything about customized plan to make $1 million earlier? Right, before we learn that, subscribe to channel guys and please like the video, like it and comment if you think this feature will be helpful for you to reach any of your target. Now it's time for our bonus tip. Let's consider I am investing in one fund with $1,000 monthly SIP amount. which is giving me 5% rate of interest per annum. So I need to find out my fund value after every year so that I can plan my investment accordingly. To do this, we just need to calculate how much will be the fund value after 1 year. For calculation, we will use FV formula, that is future value, which will take 3 inputs. First input is rate of interest, which is 5% in our case. Wait, this is yearly rate of interest, but we are making monthly SIP. So divide it by 12 to make it monthly. Next input is number of months we need, which is number of years multiplied by 12. And last input is SIP amount. Now press enter. Oh, result will be negative. Why? Because monthly we are putting our own money. So we need to negate it. We can do this by adding negative sign. Now we got our value after 1 year. Now it's time for magic again. Select your data table where we need to calculate every year value. Go to what if analysis, then select data table. In column input cell, we need to put cell as number of years, as our year value is changing. Now click OK. And we got our fund value every year. Oh, this is bad after 20 years, just reaching $400,000, which is not even near to our goal. Let's try changing something. Let's increase SIP amount monthly. What if we make it $1,100? Still same. Let's make it $2,000. Pretty good, but not quite sufficient. What if we find another fund which is giving 6% interest? Good, right? But still not sufficient. What if I just add $200 monthly? Wow, I got my target. But guys, I don't know any other fund which will give me 6%. So let's keep rate of interest to 5% and make our SIP to $2,500. Woohoo, we got our target. So guys, using this you can create your own plan by changing any parameter as you like. Or you can manage and see how soon you can become millionaire. Let me know in comments. Let's see who will become millionaire soon. Please subscribe to our channel guys for more such valuable content. And like and share this video with your friends and let's grow rich together. Thanks for watching. See you in next video in which we will look at one more exciting feature of Excel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.